Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are driving on Mandela Highway. Now this section of Mandela Highway was not renovated under the major infrastructure development program. The section from Washington Boulevard to the Portmore turnoff was renovated. Very nice road, one of the nicest roads, if not the nicest road in Jamaica. It's a 6-lane highway. But this section from the Portmore turnoff to the Old Harbour Road roundabout was not renovated. So this road is going to be renovated now under the new program that the government recently announced. Now the government said they were going to be spending $40 billion on a program to renovate roads around Jamaica. This is one of the roads that is going to be renovated. I think the name of the program is a Spark program. I don't remember off the top of my head what SPARK stands for, but that's the name of the program that they have. That's the name they have given the program to fix the roads. So $40 billion is going to be spent to upgrade these roads. And this is probably going to be the flagship road under that project. The government had announced already that they were going to fix this road, renovate it, just like the other section of the road. But no timeline was given, and we still don't have a start date, but this is definitely going to be the flagship project under that program. So on the left now is basically that's the Wisinko warehouse. Then straight ahead now you have the Lasco warehouse. So this is a very large, this is Central Village. This is the section that we're passing now, is a very important manufacturing area. This is still Mandela Highway, and as you can see, there's a lot of space for the renovation of this road. A lot of space. This section of the road could easily be 8 lanes, but they haven't announced if it's going to be, this section is going to be 6 lanes or they're going to keep it at 4 lanes. Now Mandela Highway is the busiest road in Jamaica for 4 reasons. One, well, the main reason is it takes you into and out of the city of Kingston, but there are 4 main reasons why it's the busiest road. One, it connects you from Kingston to the Highway 2000 east-west leg that takes you along the south coast of Jamaica. Mandela also connects you to Highway 2000 north-south leg that takes you to the north coast of Jamaica. And the city of Kingston has the largest population in Jamaica, over 1 million people. Now, there's 2 areas with the largest population outside the city of Kingston is Portmore and Spanish Town. So the third reason is Mandela Highway connects you from Kingston to Portmore. And the fourth reason why it's the busiest road in Jamaica is because it connects you from the city of Kingston to Spanish Town. So that is why it's the busiest road in Jamaica. And the section from the city of Kingston to Portmore is 6 lanes. And if you drive on that road during peak hour traffic times, sometimes it's bumper to bumper traffic. That road could easily go to 8 lanes and still have traffic on it. So from the city of Kingston to the Portmore turnoff, that's 6 lanes. Now that takes care of half of the traffic that uses the road, because to get to the Highway 2000 east-west leg, it's right before you get to the Portmore turnoff. So that's why we're not sure if the section from the Portmore turnoff, which is probably half the traffic that the road uses, from the Portmore turnoff to Spanish Town, if that will be 6 lanes, because most of the traffic would have turned off in Portmore. So maybe 4 lanes would be adequate to take the road to Spanish Town and the Highway 2000 north-south leg. But we'll keep you guys updated as we get more information on the project. But that road will be the flagship project under the new government program. And 40 billion to fix the roads is a good start. But they need to keep adding more money to the road upgrading project every year, because 40 billion can't upgrade all the roads that need fixing in Jamaica. It can't even upgrade all of the main roads. But it's a good start. They all can't be done at once. Everybody understands that. So I hope the government keeps adding money to this project every year until they have made a serious dent into the road infrastructure. And just so you know, this 40 billion is outside of what they're spending on the highways. They're spending a lot of money to improve the highway network in Jamaica and to continue building it out, which is very good because Jamaica is progressing very nicely and we need the road network to progress also so that it can keep up pace with all that's going on in Jamaica. Now, we were on Mandela Highway, and at the roundabout we turned off here onto this road, which is a Spanish Town Road bypass, Spanish Town bypass. There is another road called Spanish Town Road, but this road that we're on is a Spanish Town bypass. So sometimes persons mix up the names. Hi guys, thanks for taking a tour with us. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.